Yes, that's what's up.
Yeah, yes, that's what's up. Exactly. I think you saw that from Marcelo's channel, right?
Yes, yes, I
Cool.
saw. I learned that. I learned that from you.
That's awesome.
Yeah, that last night.
Okay, that's really cool. I love it. And I was gonna say, I actually, out of all of the people on my YouTube channel, I got a lot of love from my people in India. A lot of love,
Yes,
especially with
yes.
that video with the, reasons why I love Hinduism. I got a lot of comments.
Oh, I okay. I checked it. I checked it.
Yeah, and I'm gonna upload another video. I'm gonna talk about Lakshmi. Uh-huh.
Oh wow! So it would be really awesome.
Yeah, we'll see. I want to do more like Hindu content because
Yes, yes. That is the main attractive thing. They are binge watching your channel.
okay, cool. I'm gonna post more Hindu stuff too then. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm great. And you?
I'm doing good. Nice to see you again.
Yes, nice to see you again.
I wanted to apologize for being late. My classes
Okay,
got really held up.
okay, don't worry. Oh,
And
so this is
huh?
winter. This is winter. You wear jacket.
So it's not winter actually. So I live on the equator. You know what the equator is, right?
Okay, okay, I know.
So when you go north,
Yes.
there's a tilt. And then when you
Oh,
go south, there's a tilt. So here
okay.
we don't have seasons because it's in the
Oh,
middle of the planet, the equatorial
okay,
line.
okay, okay.
hmm
So, I know.
But it's cold because I'm up high in the mountains. It's a high
Oh,
elevation. hmm
oh, okay, I see. Wow,
Yeah.
looking.
Yeah, it's freezing, but I'm moving to the jungle in 2 days. So next
Oh,
class, it will be really hot and I won't be wearing jackets anymore.
oh. So could you share me that what is the reason to move into jungle?
Yeah. Why are you moving to the jungle? Uh-huh.
Yes, yes.
So there's several reasons, but the main reason is for work.
Oh, okay.
hmm
For
So
job purpose. For
yeah,
job
so
purpose. Yeah.
what job? So I'm going to create my own business,
Oh,
but
wow.
but I'm gonna be working with two other people as my business partners. And
Oh, nice.
one of them is this Brazilian guy who does
Oh,
yoga, meditation. He's a singer. He's like a
oh,
spiritual
wow.
guy.
Oh, lovely.
And his girlfriend, who's also my friend, she's also a yoga
Okay.
teacher. And
Oh, great.
and so we're renting this big house. And so we're gonna have events, yoga, meditation, all kinds of things related to healing and spirituality thing like that.
Oh, okay.
Uh-huh.
Got it. And yeah,
Yeah.
I think. Oh, so are you Hindu, right?
Am I Hindu?
Yes.
Absolutely.
Oh, so by birth you are Hindu, or after birth you take this Hindu?
You're saying like by birth, are you a Hindu or did you choose to become a
Yes, yes,
Hindu, right?
yes, yes.
Or did you choose to become? I chose to become a Hindu.
Oh,
I actually never thought about being Hindu ever in my life. I never thought about it. But I accidentally walked into a temple one day. And
oh,
I was looking for an apartment to live. And I'm vegan. I think you know what that means, right? Being vegan.
vegan. Oh, vegan. Oh, that is vegetarian.
Yes, it's like vegetarian, but more strict,
Okay,
right?
okay.
No milk, no cheese.
Oh,
And so I walked into this temple. I was looking for an apartment. And I started talking to the girl in the temple. And I told her, oh, I'm looking for an apartment. I thought this was a place where you guys had apartments. I didn't know this was a temple. I
oh,
walked in on accident. And we talked, and I told her I was vegan. And she told me, she said, if you're vegan, you can maybe live at the temple. We have an apartment here.
Oh,
So they
so
accepted me because I was vegan.
okay, got it.
And so I started living at the temple separate, right? Just paying rent. But because I
Oh,
lived so close to the temple, I was living in the same building. I started going to the meetings. I started singing, and little by little, I became, Hindu.
oh, so that attracts you to Hinduism.
What attracts me to Hinduism is, the Gita, the story in the Gita.
Oh, wow.
And just everything about it. The vegetarianism I like. I like the beauty. I like the colors and the flowers. A lot of things attracted me to Hinduism. Yeah,
Oh,
and I even have a guru.
oh, so so, and yeah, earlier class you told that you have a spiritual name.
I do. My guru named me Radharani.
Oh, can you
Yeah,
type that?
yeah.
Oh, Radharani. Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah, that's my spiritual name. They say Radharani Devidasi.
Oh,
That's how they say it here in South America.
Devi Dasi. Yeah, I
Uh-huh.
know.
Yeah.
Devi.
I'll show you my new temple. It's in the jungle where I'll be living. What about
Oh,
you? Are you Hindu?
yes, I am Hindu.
Cool. By birth or by choice?
By birth.
By birth. Okay. Let me see if I can show you some photos. I think the temples in Ecuador are a little different from the temples in India. But this is a temple close to where I'm living. Hold on, let me see if I can make this bigger. So this is,
Oh,
they do yoga.
okay. Oh, okay. So they are doing yoga.
Yes, cooking. They even, they have their, this is what the rooms look like. Pretty simple.
Oh, roofs. Okay, yeah, simple, pretty simple.
And it's in the jungle, and they grow their own food, right? So they have garden.
Oh,
Everything's organic.
oh, so they are building the temple here.
Yeah, well, this is the temple. This is the temple. Yeah, It's made out of bamboo and natural materials because they're in the jungle. And so most houses in the jungle, they look like this. All right, very simple.
Oh, simple. Yeah, fine.
Yes. There's no pictures of the gurus, but.
Okay, they are chanting.
Yes, they are. Here, where are they chanting? I don't see. Hold on. Where are they? I think here maybe they're chanting. No. They don't have any pictures of the temple, to be honest. Yeah. They don't have any pictures of the temple, actually, of the altar. But that's where the temple I'm going to be living. Yeah. I saw you sent me a message, actually. You sent me a message on Cambly. I just saw it. I'm gonna. Where is it? Which one did you send me? I'm trying to find the message. What did you tell me in the message? Here it is.
Yeah. Oh, that is you. I am going to upload on YouTube.
You're going to what?
I am going to upload it on YouTube.
This video.
Yes.
Okay. Wait, did you already upload a video of us online?
Yes.
You did.
Yes,
You have to share your channel with me.
Oh, that is iconicindra.
What is it?
Iconicindra. Iconic.
Iconic what?
Yeah, here it is.
Iconic Okay. And so how long have you been doing these videos for?
the video responses is very high, and all my subscribers really appreciated you that you uh, then and there you rectified my
Yes.
mistakes. So
Yeah.
that is
You corrected my
great.
mistakes. Not rectified. You corrected.
Yes.
Yes, rectified is like it's intense, right? It's like when someone does something bad, and so you fix someone's bad, action. Yes, rectified. Cool.
You corrected my mistake.
And how many subscribers do you have?
Yeah, actually I hide this, but I have subscribers around 8,000, 8K.
Oh my gosh, that's nice. That's really cool.
Yes.
And how long have you been doing these videos for? 1 year, 2 years?
No, I have been starting my channel in this year, that is May.
Oh my gosh, that's
Last May.
recently.
Yeah.
Okay, you don't want to say I have been starting my channel since. Okay? I started my channel in May. Why? So you started your channel, it was a one-time event. It happened, you started it, you opened it, it's done. Okay? When you say have been, it relates to something that continues. Okay, something continuous. So you can say, I've been uploading since May. You could say that.
Yes. Correct.
Continuous. Yes, I have been uploading since May, right? March?
Yes. And I know that you have a YouTube channel.
I do.
And I also subscribe.
Cool, yay. I'm trying to comment back and upload videos consecutively, but I've been really busy. But now that I'm moving to the jungle, I'll have more content.
Oh, wow, great. So there are a lot of content you have.
I do have a lot of videos. I have a lot of content that I just have to edit and put it out.
Oh, great.
The video I'm editing right now is actually at the Hindu temple in the jungle, in Baños.
Oh.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's like, the experience there and everything.
Yes, that's what's up.
Yes, that's what's up. Exactly. I think you saw that from Marcelo's channel, right?
Yes,
cool.
Yes, I saw. I learned that. I learned that from you.
That's awesome.
That last night.
Okay, that's really cool. I love it. I'm gonna look up your channel real quick, just so I can see what it's like. I'm curious now. And most of your people that watch your videos, are they from India? Where are they from?
They are from Australia and also USA, UK, India. Most of the people are India.
Okay.
Bangladesh, Kuwait.
Okay, from Kuwait.
Qatar, Brazil also.
A lot of Brazilians. I'm your new subscriber.
Yeah, great.
I was gonna say, I actually, out of all of the people on my YouTube channel, I got a lot of love from my people in India. A lot of love, especially with that video with the, reasons why I love Hinduism. I got a lot of comments.
Okay, I checked it.
Yeah, and I'm gonna upload another video. I'm gonna talk about Lakshmi.
Oh wow, so it would be really awesome.
Yeah, we'll see. I want to do more like Hindu content because
yes, that is the main attractive thing. That would be the main attractive.
Why do you say that? That would be the main attractive thing? Yeah, that's fine. You could say that. But why do you say that?
Actually, we are Hindu, so we want something that if you are foreigners are Hindu, then we have a curiosity that what attracts them to Hinduism.
We have what?
So that is the reason.
Have what? What'd you say?
So we are Hindu. So if we see that someone who are foreigner,
someone who is a foreigner,
who is a foreigner and who they who choose to be in Hare Krishna or Hindu. So we are very curiosity. We have curiosity to know.
Yes, we are
what attracts
curious.
you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we are curious.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I
So
think Hinduism is
that makes you
that
Yeah.
makes it interesting for people, right?
yes,
Sure.
exactly.
Absolutely.
So they are binge watching your channel.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna post more Hindu stuff too then.
Yes.
Real quick.
Oh man, time is running out harshly. So it was really lovely to meet you
No.
again, and I definitely make a lot of reservations.
Sure. Schedule as many classes as you like. And last thing I want to mention, you said someone who are, someone who is, because one is singular. Someone, one person out of all the people. Okay?
Oh, I know. Some are or someone
Yes.
is, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Good job. See you next class.
Gotcha.
Bye. See ya.
Yeah.